How to set time limits on any apps on iPhone iOS 18. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we help you get the most out of your tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set time limits on any apps on your iPhone running iOS 18. This is perfect if you want to manage screen time, stay focused, or just cut down on distractions. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Accessing screen time settings. Open Settings app on the iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. The first step is to head over to your iPhone Settings app. Once you're there, scroll down until you see Screen Time. Tap on it. Step 2. Enabling Screen Time if not already enabled. If Screen Time is not enabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. A prompt appears asking whether this is my iPhone or this is my child's iPhone. Select accordingly. If you haven't already enabled screen time, go ahead and toggle it on. You'll be asked whether this device belongs to you or your child. Choose the appropriate option. Step 3. App limits. Setting time restrictions. Inside screen time settings, tap on app limits. Tap add limit. Now that screen time is active, let's move on to setting app specific time limits. Tap on app limits, then select add limit. Step 4. Choosing apps for time limits. Show categories like social networking, games, entertainment, etc. Demonstrate selecting specific apps by tapping on them individually. You'll notice that iOS organizes apps into categories such as social networking, games, and productivity. You can either limit an entire category or pick individual apps. For example, if you want to restrict TikTok or Instagram, simply uncheck the category and manually select those apps. Step 5. Setting daily time limit. After selecting apps, tap Next. In the top right corner, use the timer wheel to set a daily time limit, e.g. 30 minutes. Confirm by tapping Add. Once you've chosen the apps you'd like to limit, hit Next. Here you can use the timer wheel to set how much time you're allowed per day, for instance 30 minutes or 1 hour. When you're happy with the limit, tap Add. Step 6. Testing the feature. Go back to the home screen and open one of the limited apps. Show the pop-up notification when the time limit is reached. You've reached your limit for app name. To make sure everything works, try opening one of the apps you set a limit for. Once your allotted time runs out, you'll get a notification saying you've hit your limit. Pretty neat, huh? Bonus tip: customizing downtime. Back in screen time settings, tap on downtime. Set start and end times for downtime, e.g. 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Here's a bonus tip: you can also schedule downtime to block all non-essential apps during certain hours, like bedtime. Just go back to screen time settings, tap downtime, and choose your preferred start and end times. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can take control of your app usage and create healthier habits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.